Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Kavli of FMMS from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am here to present you on a topic performance appraisal. Meaning, the performance appraisal process is defined as a process under which periodic assessment is undertaken to evaluate the performance of an employee. The input by an employee is compared with the output as per predefined performance goals. Definition: employee performance appraisal system is defined as a process in which a predefined standard of factors such as work knowledge, work performance, work attitude, leadership quality, team player behavior, consistency, decision making abilities, and skill is created, and then actual performance as well as personality of employee is compared with these expected standards by the organization. Objective: the purpose of an performance appraisal process is as follows: identifying the strength and weakness of an employee, opening communications between employees and managers, strengthening the relationship of an employee with his superiors, offering clarity in terms of expectations and organizational goals, encouraging superior performance to assess the potential for growth and development in an employee, identify whether the employees need further training. Types of performance appraisal processes: critical incident method, paired comparison analysis method, weighted checklist method, essay evaluation method, graphic rating skills method, management by objectives method, behavioral and anchor rating skills method, 360-degree performance appraisal method, performance ranking method, force ranking method. Critical incident method. In this type of performance appraisals, process specific incidents are identified and described. It deals in particulars about the time when an employee at its best and even when he performed below par. Second is the paired comparison analysis method. There are several relevant options in this paired comparison analysis performance appraisal method. All the options are set in form of comparisons with others on the list, and the calculations are derived after looking at the highest scores. Weighted checklist method. In this type of performance appraisal process, the job of an employee is under scrutiny and evaluation is based on effective and ineffective behavior of the employee on his job. Essay evaluation method. In essay evaluation method, the manager figure out both strong and weak behavioral points of an employee. Graphical rating skills method. In graphical rating skills method, it is duty of management to check on the performance level of an employee simply. Steps in performance appraisal process. First is establish performance expectations and standards, providing regular feedback, measure actual performance, compare actual performance with standards, discuss results of appraisal, come up with corrective measures. First is establish performance expectations and standards. Appraisal processes start with establishing standards and expectations. The essence of this is to make it easy for you to identify particular output, skills, and accomplishments that will be assessed. The first step is basically about setting the specific criteria that will assist you as a manager to determine whether or not the performance of the employees are satisfactory, as well as the level of contribution towards goals and objectives of the organization. Providing regular feedback. This is simply about establishing effective communication between you and the employees in regards to standards and expectations. It is an important aspect because it helps in ensuring that employees perform their roles by the goals and objectives of the organization. Feedback can be provided formally or can be communicated informally. Feedback should be consistently given to employees in keeping tabs on particular activities that they are doing as well as performing them in right manner. Measure actual performance. This stage incorporates measuring of employees' actual performance based on information obtained from different reports, such as written, oral, and statistical, as well as through personal observation. This is the stage that calls for a careful choice of ideal methods that are used in measuring performance. Compare actual performance with standards. The next thing you need to know is comparing the actual performance with anticipated or standard performance. This comparison is essential because it makes it possible for you as a manager or evaluator to identify the deviations of your employees from established standards. Discuss results of appraisal. As earlier mentioned, process of performance appraisal is a continuous process that takes time. As a manager, the next thing you need to do is to ensure that communicate the feedback of appraisal to your employees on a one-on-one basis. It is always challenging for managers to present truthful appraisal to the employees and enable them to constructively accept the results, especially if it reflects more negatives than positives. But what you need to know is that discussing feedback together is a better approach of allowing them to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Come up with corrective measures. This is the final stage in appraisal processes. Initiating some effective corrective measures should be executed according to the results of the appraisal. Carefully examine the results and identify areas that require improvement, and then come up with corrective action that will make it possible for employees to improve performance at this stage. Advantages of performance appraisal. It becomes easier to maintain a record of individual performance over some time, and this helps company to make proper evaluations. The process includes comparative ratings and helps the company to reward its better workers. It helps the management to decide about important issues like transfer, raise, and promotion. The statistics derived from performance appraisal process helps company to screen its recruitment process. The performance appraisal process helps company in identifying the right talent for specific jobs so that they can place the employees in particular areas depending on their know-how. Disadvantages of performance appraisal. The performance appraisal process is time consuming as the evaluation process is an ongoing one. If not conducted in an appropriate manner, it can prove a negative experience for the employee. As the process is dependent on human assessment, it is subjected to bias and errors and thus lack reliability. It proves stressful if results are not in your favor. The performance appraisal process should be conducted with the help of pre-designed guidelines. Otherwise, it will prove a complete waste of time and effort. Thank you.